Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about makeup, that is for dusky skin makeup. Let's get started how to do a basic makeup for dusky skin.
Yeah.
For moisturizer, I am taking a Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is very lightweight for oily skin and best moisturizer for summer season. I am applying all over my face and neck. Massage well till it absorbs. For lips, I am using a Blue Heaven lip balm in butter variant, I think, not sure. Next, I gonna apply primer. For primer, I am taking a Nykaa Prep Me primer. I gonna apply a very little amount of primer under my eyes, nose, and forehead. And now I gonna correct my face. For corrector, I'm using a NYB corrector palette. Now I gonna apply a corrector on my hyperpigmentation around my mouth and wherever I needed. This is not a proper orange color, this is like rusty brown color. For daily use this palette is very good, and that too in an affordable range. You can also try this palette once. If you are a beginner, please try it on. And now move on to the next step, that is foundation. Foundation I'm using here is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in shade 338 Spicy Brown. I'm taking a small amount of foundation in my index finger and placing it all over my face. Just placing. Now the time to blend the foundation. Here is a damp sponge. I am blending the foundation with the damp sponge. I am just dabbing on entire face with this sponge. Applying a foundation with sponge gives a super finish look. It squeezes the excess amount of foundation. So this is a super technique for applying foundation. Again, I'm taking a very tiny amount of foundation and applying around my mouth because I'm having a hyperpigmentation on that area. For loose powder, I'm taking a Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm in shade medium deep 30. With this loose powder, I'm gonna set my under eyes and the center of my face, that is forehead, bridge of nose and mouth, chin. That's all. And I am blending with the same sponge. In makeup, blending procedure is very important. If you are not doing a proper blending, then your makeup looks like cakey, patchy. So avoid that cakey, patchy. You have to blend well. That is one solution for that. Now I'm dabbing some amount of powder on my jawlines cause I need a crease cut of contouring. So I'm dabbing same loose powder on my jawlines. If you feel your powder is not blended, then take a clean brush and go over the entire face and blend together. For eyelids, I am setting with the same loose powder. For basic makeup, no need of eyeshadow, I think. In my opinion, not for all. Now for eyebrow, I am using a Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is in blackened shade. I am just touching, not I am dragging or something. I am just touching and correcting with the spoolie. Next is eyeliner. For eyeliner, I am taking a Black Magic liquid eyeliner from Nykaa. This is very smooth in application, and I am here doing a very small wing, very small wing. For kajal, I am using a I Amsterdam Tulip Black Kajal. This is a super black kajal for a daily use and affordable range too. I didn't expect this much of pigmentation from this kajal, but it does his works. It has a pigmentation and it has a water resistance too. Now I'm smudging with a small brush cause I don't want a crispy line kajal. So I'm smudging. For mascara, I'm using a Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. This is a water resistant variant and I'm using on my upper lashes and the lower lashes. For lips, I'm gonna use a Wet n Wild lip liner. This is in shade Chestnut. I'm lining my lips with this lip liner because today I'm going with a nude shade. For lips, I'm using a NY by Lip Crayon. I don't know the shade. I'll mention the shade in my description box, so check it out. Now I'm doing a very soft contour with a dark shade from my shadow palette. For highlighter, I'm gonna use a Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic highlighter. This is in shade Molten Golden, I think. I'm just taking a very little amount of highlighter with a mini puffy brush. I'm just blending it on my high cheekbones and my tip of my nose and the bridge of nose. And now this is my final look, guys. If you liked it, please tell me in comment section. And yeah, I have one picture for you, the comparison between natural daylight and cool white light. You can check it out from this image. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching. I will meet you on another video.